Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete public profile on Snapchat. Often, our desired social media may no longer hold its charm once a better one is out, or we feel it's not up to the standard of what other platforms give us. Whatever the reason, deleting your public profile is a straightforward process on any platform. Before you decide on deleting your profile, it is important to consider freezing the app instead of deleting it so you can use it again. But should you still decide to clear your public profile on the Snapchat app, this guide will discuss the steps to erase your public profile on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the app screen. Under your profile picture and username, you should see a section titled My Public Profile. Tap on it and locate the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap the option labeled Clear Public Profile. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Everything you've added to your public profile will be deleted, such as your bio, profile photo, public stories, and the stories saved to your profile. Snaps you've submitted to Spotlight or the Snap Map will remain and won't show your name unless you use your public profile again. Then, tap Clear if you're certain you want to proceed. You can successfully delete your public profile on Snapchat and reclaim your privacy. It is important to consider freezing the app instead of deleting it. So, be sure you're ready to say goodbye to your public person before confirming the action. You can convert your Snapchat account back to a standard Snapchat account at any time if you convert your account to a public profile for business. If you delete your public profile, you will no longer be able to take advantage of its additional benefits. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.